To insert transvenous pacing wires, we utilize a similar setup as that of a central line insertion. Here we begin with the right internal jugular vein already cannulated using a 6 French introducer sheath with the side arm flushed. The wire itself requires no flushing. Here the balloon has been checked prior to insertion. Next, we prepare the sterile sleeve for the pacing wire, ensuring proper orientation with the correct end clipping onto the introducer sheath. With the balloon deflated, we pass the pacing wire through the sleeve and into the introducer sheath. Advancing the wire up to the double black lines ensures that the balloon is out of the sheath and we then pass the connector wires to a non-sterile assistant who connects it to the V port on the pacemaker box. Note that the terminals are correctly connected, that is negative to negative. Now instruct your assistant to turn on the pacing box on the VVI mode with the initial pacing rate above the intrinsic patient's rate with a high output. Continuing, the wire is advanced up to the 3 black lines or to the predetermined length that is obtained by measuring over the draped chest. The balloon is now inflated and locked to maintain the inflation. We slowly advance the wire while monitoring the leads for electrical capture. Here we have electrical capture on the ECG. When there is sustained capture, that is both electrical and mechanical capture, deflate the balloon. Turn the stopcock to prevent accidental inflation. Now clip on the sterile sleeve, unfurling it entirely and locking it in place. Verify adequate output and rate while ensuring capture is still present. Finally, the sheath is sutured in place. After securing the pacing wire, we check for the threshold. In this case, there is loss of electrical capture at 1 milliamperes. We increase the output by 1 turn, achieving consistent capture at 2 milliamps, thus giving us our threshold output. So now we set the output as double the threshold to ensure patient safety.